Good morning.
We are going somewhere out. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, 8:30 in the morning. So we are waiting for the rickshaw, but it's very cold.
सब निकालेको मेरो भाइ
Our lunch.
लन्च डिनर
Sorry, dinner.
मैरिज फंक्शन में मुकील नाम का एक फोटोग्राफर था मे बी वो मुकील
Morning, beautiful people.
Hi, good morning.
Today is Magha Sakranti and we are going to
I'm
Mamaghar.
going Lalbandi.
Lajano. This is the bus park of Bedganj, and this is our bus. Let us go. बाफ्रे त सोलेको बस रहेछ.
अब सारो छ भन्छ स्वर्गबाट आएको फुल थाहा छ
यसको स्मेल एकदमै वाउ ब्युटिफुल हुन्छ. यो सबै ब्लाइन्ड बिलिभ हो नेपालको मान्छेहरुको.
होइन यो साँच्चै स्वर्गबाट आएको फुल हो.
त्यसैले यो फुल बिहान बिहान मात्रै फुल्छ. आएको
टिप्नु हुँदैन नि, यो आफै झर्छ.
बेबीका तिमी बिहान आएर हेर्छौ हो फुल फुलेको. Garlic, coriander, some kind of cactus. That may be lemon. And here
बिहान बोट हल्ला सबै यति यति फुल
I don't know which plant is this.
अनि त्यो लकडी त्यो बोटको लकडीहरू चाहिँ कसले लग्यो बिहान
के को
त्यो रुखहरू काटेको मैले नआउने बित्तिकै सुनिन्छ नि
म एकचोटि हेरेर आउँछु पसिने गरेँ
तपाईँको भिडियो
ल ल पस्छ तेल अब अहिले आएर लगाउँदा
पसिने गरेर म यो आगो यो यतिको होस् यो बलिरहन्छ
Let's go to have lunch.
बेबीका यो चराको अन्डा खाने किराहरू आउँछ त्यो साग किराहरू बस्छ नि
This is a home for some birds.
अनि तरुलले आउँदैछ माइजू
Okay.
त्यो तरुलको त्यो आलु बिना त्यो तरुल होइन यो सबै
Khoi?
यो तरुल आउँदैछ तेरो बाबा पनि बडा सङ्गातीमा तेल
गाडी छोडिरहेको होला त्यहाँ अहिले त्यहाँ है 3 वर्षको आएछ त कहाँ
Wow, सबै कल्चरल अर्नामेन्ट्सहरू पाउँदो रहेछ त
Secondary Academy and I graduated from here.
Okay, nice school. Me and my sister, we are going through this beautiful road here in this village.
Yep.
Babika, do you want to tell anything about your place? Here.
I really don't know much about my place, so no idea.
You'll enjoy living here?
Yes.
You like Kathmandu or Lalbandi?
I like Kathmandu.
Oh, you don't like your place?
Yeah, kind of.
Why?
Because there is no place to
Roam around?
Yes.
You just want to roam around and that's why you like Kathmandu?
Yeah, there are a lot of beautiful places in Kathmandu, so that's why I like Kathmandu.
But anyway, Lalbandi is also a beautiful place and it's my Mamaghar.
Look guys.
Yeah, see, you can see this beautiful natural.
And that's Oxford School.
Okay. You have a lot of schools and colleges here. Before it was not like this. Now you can see a lot of tall buildings also, but before here in Lalbandi when we were kids, this place was full of mud house and very small market area was there, but now it has developed a lot.
Yeah.
But still You can see some natural beauty over here. Wow. You can see this beautiful tree and the field. So you can see this beautiful home here in Lalbandi. Where did you go, Bebika? Now we are going back to home, roaming around Lalbandi. Sorry.
Hello, so this is the corn farm, you can see it.
It's beautiful.
Oh, so this is our beautiful sunflower, you can see it.
Wow, Bebika. Oh, such a beautiful sunflower.
Yup.
So beautiful. You want one?
I don't think so.
Wow. Good morning from Lalbandi. Today is the second day. Local egg. Egg. Have it. भयो
होइन यो यस्तो भयो देख्नु पर्यो
It's okay. Okay. We came here to make national ID card of my sisters, but we are stuck here because the server is down. This is the government office of Nepal. Hello.
Hi.
Whose food is this?
Your.
Mine?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You have to have it.
Can you bring me one spoon, please?
Okay. Containing meta director and orthopara director, substitute of is भनेछ
हो त्यही त्यो क्वेशन पनि अघिको त्यही हो के ठीक है यो लाइनमा
माछा मासु
यहाँ चुलो छ त पकाएर बेच्छ होला हैन
यहाँनिर पकाएर बेच्छ तपाईको
बजारको दिनमा
यस
अनि यतातिर
यता पनि त्यही हो दिदी
सेम
सेम
ओके नाइस प्लेस
उतातिर चाहिँ तपाईको हेलो गाइस
वी आर एट लालबन्दी
बजार यहाँ चाहिँ बजारको बेलामा माछा मासुहरू पकाएर बेच्ने गर्छ अनि उतातिर चाहिँ काट्ने गर्छ है
ओके हेलो मार्केट छ उतासम्म पनि बेचिरहेछ
यस उहाँसम्म बेच्छ
लसुन होइन, लसुनको तल सेतो सेतो हुन्छ।
त्यही हो लोकल लसुन हो।
भ्यागु त के गर्न। हाम्फाला त ब्युटिफुल प्लेस बेबिका। वाउ भनेर भन्न मिलेन गर्दिन। Let's walk around.
Okay.
यो के हो?
So I think लहरीलाई सुकाएको जस्तो लाग्छ।
तिम्रो लहरी त कहिले सकिने भएन त।
लहरी
So we are roaming around somewhere in Lalbandi, believing that Babika is taking me to the right direction. So let's see where we will reach. Yeah, we came this way, I remember. Wow. धेरै हिँड्नु परे पनि केही छैन।
ल अब जाँदा हुन्छ केही गर्दैन यसले ल
जुम जुम छिटो बिस्कुट सकिनु भन्दा पनि having current noodles prepared by Babika.
Yes, look at
नखाने
my
हो मादिरा पनि हुन्छ
Okay. Have it.
नखाने भदिरा हुन्छ
We are going for evening walk. Hello.
with my brother Vishwasara.
हेलो किनभने भाइले सबै तावा खाली लाग्नु साबजी भयो भनेर
Mommy, daddy,
Mako खाना Yummy yummy balusahi. Mommy. भोलि हामी जाने हो।
बिहान 9 बजे खाना तयार गरिदिनु हुन्छ ममतालाई।
हेलो हेलो गाइस, म चाहिँ मेरो प्यारो फुपूको लागि मेरो प्यारो मम्मीले बनाउनु भएको सेल ट्राई गर्न गइरहेको छु।
फुपूको लागि मात्र?
मेरो प्यारो दिदीको काजल दिदी र फुपूको लागि है, सबैजना सुन्ने। मेरो प्यारो फुपू र मेरो प्यारो दिदी काजल दिदी। लो गाइस, म एकदमै राम्रो राम्रो खालको सेल छानेर राखिदिन्छु मेरो प्यारो दिदी र फुपूको लागि। सबै सेल टुक्रेको रहेछ, सबै चाहिँ होइन, कुनै कुनै यस्तो काडा काडावाला सेल चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो हुन्छ है।
सक्यो चामल पनि हो, त्यो आफ्नै यो भाइले किनेर आफ्नो पठाइदिएको थियो नि, त्यही चामल।
Done?
Yes, it's done.
Thank you. फुपू पढ्दै नि नकल पार्दै।
के को नकल पार्ने नि?
मेरो मेरो माया हो मेरो फुपूप्रति। मलाई अहिलेसम्म माया गर्ने फुपू सानोदेखि।
Bebika, what are you doing, Bebika?
I'm going to brush my teeth.
You are not using paste?
No.
What is this then?
This is the mixture of mustard oil,
Okay.
lemon, turmeric and-
Powder.
Yes, and some salt.
And now you will brush with a brush.
Yes.
Okay.
This is healthy for our teeth.
Show me your teeth. Okay.
मेरो चाहिँ दुईटा ब्रस छ, एउटा यो पहिलो भएको अनि अर्को ब्रस छ।
Okay.
अनि हातमा मोल्ने।
Is it good in taste?
No, but I like it.
Okay, good girl. What are you doing? Listening song? Show me your dance step. Hey guys, today is the second day. Tomorrow we will go back to Birganj. I'm so happy to go back to Birganj. Mom,
हजुर,
आफ्नो माइतीमा आएर ह्याप्पी हुनुहुन्छ तपाईँ?
एकदम ह्याप्पी। मम्मी सधैँ ह्याप्पी, अल डे ह्याप्पी।
Okay. Morning.
हाय
Mommy.
हाय, गुड मर्निङ।
काले भाइ
दादा।
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
We are having sel roti and chia.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Hello, we are going for morning walk.
Yes.
फरक पर्दैन। So we are going somewhere as recommended by our brother Biswas Hada, and I really don't agree going from this route, but I have to listen to them and I'm just following them. Let's see where we will reach. It's full of dust and I cannot see any road or anything here. So they want me to go through this route. Oh my god. So from this route I can see this beautiful view of village. But we are walking through this path, so need to be careful. So much of greenery, fresh air is, we can feel the fresh air here, and you can see I'm enjoying this view, beautiful. Hey, we are going through this beautiful view. Biswas took us through this route and I was doubting, but it's beautiful. Good, Biswas. Hey guys, walk fast. कुन बाटो जाने हो केटाकेटी हो? ओके we are going to this Ghar to have some tea for the refreshment as we are tired. Tired, Bebika?
Yes.
Biswas bhai, tired? Let's go. Here we are to have tea. It's a beautiful place. Chia order garyo? This is the sitting arrangement. And that is prayer's flag. So we will have now chai. So this is a Nepali chair. Mura. Yes, sir. Yummy, it's so tasty. At this time, what is the time, Bebika? Time kati bhayo?
9:30.
It's 9:30 and at this time they can only provide tea, but during afternoon you can get all the snacks and other things to eat. So the tea is really very tasty here. It's here in the village Lalbandi. So they are trying to expand the road of Lalbandi. This is highway, so they have cut off all the old trees here. All these are the old trees which were here for a very long time. You can see now slowly they will construct this road and expand it. So right now it's very dusty and we are going back to our home. I'm getting late. We have to return back to Birganj today, me and mom. So मिठाई भयो होला माइजूले पकाएको. क्याम्पस चोक भनेपछि अगाडि त्यो ब्याग यसो लाग्यो. Guys, we are back to Birganj. Now we have ordered something from outside because we don't have energy to cook. So we will have our dinner and then sleep. Good night.
Good night.
Hope you enjoy my video. If you enjoy my video, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.